All right, so we're back for part two. I know part one was kind of long. I had to break it up because it's a little bit over a 30-minute video. And so, yeah, this is part two. That's right, Black Wolf, grooming standards for men. Dose. That's right, speaking Spanish. That's right, and that's for everybody, every man, no matter what your nationality is. Yep, we all need to be clean. We all get funky, grimy, dirty, you know. Sometimes. Oh yeah, to purchase any items in the video, yep, make sure you scroll down and click on the link below. This is where you can purchase everything on their website or through their Amazon website as well. So yep, we are now saturated, we're warmed, we took care of our skin. So now we're gonna do the back and again in our lower region, the groin area, the penis and vagina area. You know what I'm talking about. Yep, in that special place. Yeah. So in this, yep, we're adding the body spray or the body soap. I don't know why I said spray. What's wrong with me? So now, yep, I normally always start with the chest, bring it on down or towards the back. Yep, there we go. And you'll see it start to sud up and soap up. Yep, that's how you do it. So I forgot to put on the vibration. So yep, you can always turn it on at any time. It feels so good. I'll be forgetting like, wow, it feels great even without it. But I turned it on. Yes, and here we go. Get the neck. Get the nape of the neck. Is that what they say in the Latin language or the Italian language? The nape of the neck. I don't know why they say it. But anyway, look, yeah, hard to reach places right there. Yep, get that scapula. Right, the rhomboid area, traps. Oh yeah, lats, everything. Yep. Flip it on underneath your arms and handcuff position or chicken wing, and you can get the upper back that way as well. So, yep. Get the lower back, spine area, all that good stuff. Yeah, scrub up in there. Yeah, you deserve it. Yeah, your body deserves a better clean feeling. That's right. Because how else do you scrub your back unless you have your partner in the shower with you? And oh yeah, it's all so magnificent. Wonderful. I love the feelings. It's fucking phenomenal. Shh. Cursing. Stop. All right, so here we are. Yep. We're about to do the lower area. And let's stop playing with it. Yeah, because you know it stinks down there sometimes. Stop playing. Add some more. Yep. So that's what we did. We added more. Yeah, I'm pointing down there. Yep. Get the water in there. Yep. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Get in between the inner thigh area. There's hairs down there. I'm shaving down there. Thank God. I don't have time. I don't know how men are wicked. We have wicked hair down there. How do y'all women, what have y'all been putting up with? So, for me, yeah, I don't shave all that crap. So now, yeah, you get the leg, put your leg, that's what I'm pointing to right now, my thigh. Put it on the lip of the tub so you can get that leg. You get in between there and get those feet. Yeah, that's right, because you know our feet is something wicked down there. It's like toenail curling all inside the skin, you know, wrapped around. Yeah, I get a pedicure once in a while. I would say every quarter, which is even not that much, every 3 months. I should be getting one once a month, but my nail don't grow that long down there. Oh, here we go, that area. I see why you guys love a vibrator. It's nice. It's not. Look, you see the cheesing? You see all 32 of my teeth, all 36, however many teeth we got in the dental world. Yeah, look. Yeah, all my teeth showing because it felt good down there. I had to zoom out and do another video. But you seen how it switched? Oh yeah, because I was enjoying it, and I had to have a private moment of private reflection time. Yeah. So okay, here we go. Let's stop talking. Shh, or stop reminiscing. Yeah, if you don't want to be all fancy with it, you can put your or not lantern, but your lancet or lanyard, I should say, around your arm, and yeah, so you don't drop it. You're in the shower, and right here we have the shower off, but you can still do a body scrub. Oh man, I wish they had a scrub, because right here, that's what I'm showing you right now. Scrub, yes. You put a scrub on your body, turn the shower off, now scrub your body, because you're already clean. That's just like giving yourself a facial. You cleanse the skin first. Warm water, open up the hair follicles and dead skin, and then you wipe all the nastiness off, rinse it off. Now turn the shower off. Give yourself a nice scrub. Oh man, your woman will love you. Y'all gonna be sliding in the bed together. Yes. Yeah. And then you exfoliate by the scrub and wash it off again, you're good to go. Look, it hangs on the wall. You're good to go. Thumbs up. This, man, I gotta say, I didn't want to do this review at first, but I'm so glad I did because so far, so great. This works. Yep, get those ears so you don't have that ear popping effect. Yep, go up and down. You get that equilibrium correct. And yeah. You are dry. You're clean, smooth.
So, all right. So as you guys can see, the products worked amazing. At first, I was skeptical about doing this product review. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm glad I did. And as you guys can see me in the tub, rubber dub dub, bubbles in the tub, all that good stuff, I made it through with no problems. It was easy to operate. So let me just go ahead and go through what I'm talking about right now. And forgive me for, other than that, I love them. Man, I'm an uncle. It's crazy, right? Never thought I'd be here. But I'm here doing a product review. And let's just start off with how everything works. When I know the voiceover probably doesn't clarify everything, but here we go. So the power button is on top, the lower button at the bottom, the lower button, that's detergents, anything that's gonna irritate your skin and mess with it. So that's good. We try to get as close to organic as possible when putting stuff on our body and our face. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time.